Welcome to Punch It Unboxed. Today we can announce the second phase of our project when we build the Punch It Gym. The new Punch It Gym, we will build everything on one place: fitness center, hotel, Muay Thai gym, and behind me we built 3 pool villas and 4 apartments. So we will have 3 pool villas. The 3 pool villas, of course, have the best place, and this is on the top of our land. There we have a good view and more privacy, and of course, and the best comfort we will provide in the future. So the room have 100 square meters, you have a living room, you have a kitchen, and of course a private pool in front of your apartment. On the top floor of this villa, we have also a studio. It's a bit smaller, but there you will have a bit of sea view and also a good privacy. And this have 6 rooms all together and the best place on our land. And then on the lower level of the land, like here, we will have 3 houses. Every house have 4 apartments, and we will build also one next to the Muay Thai gym. And all together we have 15 rooms with 50 square meters and also a kitchen, a balcony, and a little bit more space than in the hotel. And this will be the middle standard of the room we will provide in the future. So we have the hotel room with 35 square meters, 50 in the apartment and 100 in the pool villa. And I think this will be the perfect setup for everyone that will come in the future to Punch It Gym. Right now we stay on the place we will build the 4 houses. As you can see, we have not the straight columns, and this is a different design, and I found this design in a ski resort in Austria. For me it was always important we not just build a new gym or we build a new apartment, we will build something different about we want to make the best Muay Thai facility in Thailand. And here is the second apartment. And here we struggled already in the first week about we have the problem with the stone. The stone was over 1 meter too high, and here we need to place the foundation of the house. And they tried to dig, but the problem was like it's too hard, and they cannot bring the big machine from outside to this place, and it's only one option, and we have to explode all the stones. The problem, they don't really want to do it, about they're scared that all the hill will coming down, and so we designed to make the house 60 centimeters up, and I hope we not block the view above our pool villa. So let's have a look where we will build the pool villa with the nice view to the ocean. So now we are on the highest level of our land, and here we will build these 3 pool villas. As you can see here, also the foundation is already done, and now we start to build up these villas, and all together takes around 1 year to build all these houses. I'm already excited to wait for the first floor after the foundation is finished, that we can bring the first bricks to build these buildings. One part of the project is also to cut the trees on the land. It's very sad, but we try the best, and this is on this side. The last 2 trees we can actually leave it, and I hope they will survive. About we have to cut a lot behind and on the side, but we wish the best. If you have any question about the new phase, the second phase, leave a comment and subscribe now to the channel so you not will miss any update videos when we build the best Muay Thai facility in Thailand.